If you try to open the YouTube app and you get the error, something went wrong, try again on this screen or somewhere on YouTube, this is a potential fix for that. This isn't the only stuff you can do, but this is some of the stuff you want to try. Sometimes you just have to wait. Unfortunately, sometimes stuff does go wrong and it's on YouTube's end and it's fixed within a few minutes, usually. So sometimes the best option is just to wait, try again later. What you can do to try to force it though, is you can shut down the YouTube app by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and moving your hand over, or your finger over, so that you see all your apps like this, and just shut down the YouTube app and then restart it, and then see if that fixes the error. If that doesn't work, we're going to head into the settings and turn off the Wi-Fi. Not just the control center and turn it off and on here. We want to go all the way into the settings and go to the main settings page, tap on Wi-Fi to open it and turn it off here, and then leave it off for a little bit, maybe 5 seconds, 3 seconds. Turn it back on, wait till it connects, and then go and test the YouTube app again. If that doesn't work, try going to settings, go out to the very beginning of the settings, so you're in the general settings here, and then go to general, iPhone storage, and then scroll down and there's YouTube right there. Tap on that. We see we have here a bunch of documents and data. That's cached information. Sometimes it caches error pages. It's not its fault, it just caches stuff. So don't blame it, it's just how it works. And that's not just YouTube, it could be any app that caches error pages. So what you can try doing is tapping on Offload app. That says it'll keep all the documents and data, but sometimes that still clears the errors. And then you can reinstall the app. Now that it's reinstalled, you test it again and see if that clears the error. If that doesn't clear the error, tap on Delete App. That's going to delete the documents and data and start totally fresh. So if you have stuff saved in YouTube, that might be affected, although it shouldn't, because that stuff is associated with your YouTube account that should sync across all your devices. So deleting the app shouldn't hurt very much, but it could fix that error. And if you try all those things and it still doesn't work, then your best bet is just to wait. It should fix itself, and you should be back on YouTube in no time. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, and it needs to be done on a regular basis, so check that out, and I'll see you there.